name is Kristina and this is and today we'll be saying different animal sounds again because Lily enjoyed saying it last time. So first of all, Lily, what does a sheep say?
She said, blah.
What about a dog? What does a dog say?
She said, woof.
Waff. What about a elephant? Do you know what a pig says?
She said, oink, oink.
Oh my god. What about a whale?
She said, woo.
Okay. What about a kangaroo? Does a kangaroo say anything?
Boing, boing.
Is it like a bunny rabbit? Just bounces along?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what a butterfly says? Does that say anything?
No.
So we're repeating some, aren't we? So do you know what a cheetah says? Because this is a repetitive one again. Do you know what a frog says?
She said, rabbit, rabbit.
Do you know what a horse says?
Die, die, die.
Okay, so do you know what a wolf says?
She said, howl, howl.
Wow. Okay, so do you know what a mouse says?
No, a cat.
A cat then.
She said, meow, meow.
You silly little girl. What about a duck? We haven't done a duck yet.
Yeah. Quack, quack.
That's an aggressive duck. If we just go to the beach and there's a duck and go quack, might bite our toes off.
Let's do a cow.
Okay, so what does a cow say?
She said, moo, moo.
Moo. So, do you know what a hamster says then?
No.
Do you know what a sloth says? I got sloth on my
She
tongue.
said, slow slap.
Wow, that is quite an aggressive sloth. I don't think sloths say much. Do you know what a gorilla says?
Gum, gum.
That is a silly one. So,
Still a tiger.
do you know what a tiger says?
She said, roar.
Do you know what a lion
She
says?
This is scary.
That is scary then.
Can say, what about a whale?
We already did a whale. Do you like lions or do you like tigers?
Lion.
You like a lion?
Roar, roar.
I think you said that your favorite was a tiger. Okay, then I don't mind changes. Changes can be.
I want to do
So-
a giraffe.
So what does a giraffe say?
She said,
Do you know what a shark says?
she said, hush.
Don't bite me, please. Even if sharks bite, you don't need to bite me because sharks are not scary. They just get a bit confused because they need food and they assume you're a fish. So, do you know what a bird says?
She said, twit, twit.
Twit, twit.
Yeah.
Wow. Do you know what a...
No.
I didn't say anything. You just went there. That's a bit crazy, isn't it?
Listen.
Do you know what a duck... No, what about... Do you know what a goose says? That literally just scared me. Okay. So, do you know what a snowman says? Did they say anything?
She said,
Bit aggressive for a snowman. And first of all, I don't think snowmen say anything. And second of all, I don't think snowmen are around that much and they are cold, so they probably don't say anything at all. So Lily, do you know what a seal says? Does a seal say anything?
She said,
What did she say?
Bob, Bob.
Wow. So Lily, I think that is enough for today. So you want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye-bye.